Dear students, let us start with alcohols. In this topic alcohols, we are going to take two things. One is methods of preparation and the other is reactions of alcohol. Now to start with, let us take the first method of preparation for alcohols. That is hydrolysis of esters of carboxylic acid. Now what is this method of preparation? This is going to be our first method of preparation. We know what is an ester. Ester is R C double bond O R dash. This is ester, right? We know that this ester is prepared from acid and alcohol. Correct? So, when ester gets broken down, what is hydrolysis? It is breaking down in presence of water. It is lysis in presence of water. So, what will happen? R C double bond O OH plus R dash OH. How it comes? See, suppose I write acid like this once again. R C double bond O OH OR. This is ester, correct? And I want to perform hydrolysis, breaking down in presence of water. So how it will happen? It will occur like this. H, that is nothing but ROH and RC double bond OH. Is that clear? So this one is our first method of preparation, which is hydrolysis of ester. That is breaking down of ester into acid and alcohol. Clear? Then we move on to the second method of preparation. The second method of preparation for alcohol is again hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Now let us see this method of preparation, hydrolysis of alkyl halide. What are we going to do here is, see, alkyl halide, again we are going to do what? Hydrolysis. That is breaking down of this compound in presence of water. What do I get? I will get ROH plus HX. Clear? So this is the second method of preparation of alcohol, that is coming from alkyl halide. Then the third method of preparation. Again the third method of preparation for alcohol, that is hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkenes. What happens here when alkenes get hydrated? CH2 double bond CH2. What is hydration? Hydration. What is hydration? It is addition of water. Okay? And generally addition reactions occurs across a double bonded compound. Okay? So we are going to study this reaction, which is hydration of alkenes. Okay? So CH2 double bond CH2 will undergo addition of water. See, this is different from hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is breaking down of compound in presence of water, whereas hydration is gain of HOH. Now see how this is going to happen. One part will go towards this carbon, the other part will go towards this carbon, and double bond will become single bond. And by this we prepare what? Alcohol. This one is which alcohol? This is ethanol. That is the third method of preparation, which is nothing but hydration of alkenes. The hydration of alkenes. We are going to talk about one more method of preparation from alkenes, which is very important, is oxymercuration, demercuration. We are talking about the list of methods of preparation. We have already seen hydrolysis of esters, hydrolysis of alkyl halide, hydration of alkenes, and now we are moving on to what? We are moving on to oxymercuration and demercuration. Okay. Now what is this reaction? Let us talk about this reaction in detail. Oxymercuration and demercuration. What are these reactions? Now what happens? See, this is one reaction and we are going to study one more reaction in future, which we call as alkoxymercuration, demercuration. See, always remember this oxymercuration, demercuration, this reaction is useful for synthesis of alcohol, whereas alkoxymercuration and demercuration, this reaction is useful for synthesis of ether. Now let us see why and how this reaction occurs. Okay? The first reaction is oxymercuration. Try and understand the meaning of word oxymercuration. Oxy is, there will be addition of hydroxy. Oxy is hydroxy and mercuration is mercuric group. So these two groups are going to get added across a double bonded compound, and in that case what will happen? Double bond will become a single bond. Now let us see by means of the chemical reaction. Okay, say for example we have this C double bond C. Okay, and to this we are going to add mercuric acetate. Mercuric acetate. And this reaction, always remember, this reaction occurs in presence of water. When in future we are going to talk about alkoxymercuration, we should remember that in alkoxymercuration, instead of water, we are going to use alcohol, and there will be no point wherein we are going to use water in alkoxymercuration. Now let us see how mercuration and oxymercuration occurs, and it is used as a method of preparation of alcohol. Now see for example, C single bond C. Oxy, we are going to talk about what reaction? Oxymercuration. What happens here? The oxy group, right? The oxy group comes and attaches on one portion across a double bond. Say for example OH, oxy. Okay, and mercuric acetate, we are calling it as mercuration. So initially what will happen? See, this will break down like this. This will be CH3COO negatively charged, and this will become positively charged. Correct? Okay. One negatively charged hydroxyl group has come over this carbon. Okay, say for example, I move my electrons like this. So this carbon becomes, let me move my electrons like this. So this carbon will become negatively charged, correct? And this carbon will become positively charged. On this positively charged carbon, OH negative comes and attaches. And on the negatively charged carbon, what is going to come and attach? This positively charged group, HgOOCCH3, correct? Now, this is the first step of the reaction. Now we have one more step which we are calling as demercuration. We are calling this reaction as oxymercuration and demercuration reaction. मतलब एक स्टेप में हम ऑक्सी को और मर्क्यूरिक ग्रुप को डबल बॉन्ड के अक्रॉस ऐड कर रहे हैं, और दूसरे स्टेप में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम मर्क्यूरिक ग्रुप को रिमूव कर रहे हैं, राइट? जब वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज डीमर्क्यूरेशन, वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल द सेम एज रिडक्शन, राइट? वी नो दैट रिडक्शन इज नथिंग बट गेन ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. ठीक है, तो फॉर परफॉर्मिंग रिडक्शन or demercuration, we require a catalyst. The name of the catalyst is NaBH4. NaBH4. ठीक है. अब NaBH4 कैसे काम करता है यहाँ पर ये देखते हैं. See, we are going to do what? We are going to just simply perform reduction. See, C single bond C, OH and H. See, now you can see H is added, matlab the reaction is reduction. Mercuric group is removed, matlab this reaction is demercuration. Hence, oxymercuration and demercuration together will lead to formation of what? Alcohol. Clear everybody? So this is the fourth method of preparation, which is oxymercuration and demercuration. We have already seen hydrolysis of ester, breakdown of ester into two, that is acid and alcohol. We have seen hydrolysis of alkyl halide, RX breaks down into ROH and HX. Hydration of alkenes, matlab addition of HOH across alkenes. And we have seen one more reaction which is called as oxymercuration and demercuration. Now we move on to a very simple method of preparation. The last few methods of preparation that we have to talk about now is reduction of aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid. Remember, reduction of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Reduction of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Reduction of these three. Okay. Now let us move on to the reduction reactions.